And one thing my father always say, no, think positive, pray positive, live positive. And the only way to live, you see me? Me a one thing positive. Me a look, me a seek, me a search for the positive. How me fi pre negative? It's like link, me a drink, me a smoke with my enemies. Enough opportunities in line with divine currencies and wattages. There is no blockages. Abundance receive, abundance we give. Everybody wanna know the meaning of life. How we wake up, how we open our eyes. We must realize there is a higher power in a me, in a you, like a dream come true. Where they up on the earth, mama give we birth. Write in a book, say we make out of dirt. Roots and culture to blouse and skirt. Big up mama Africa, me know where you work. We day in the land, rising sun. Reggaesteem a bubble and we just a have fun. Take a trip down me yard, go link in a me yard. Can't know when me say no we in a better than. Me a go and think positive. Me a look, me a seek, me a search for the positive. How me fi think negative? It's like link, me a drink, me a eat with the enemies. Enough opportunities in line with divine currencies and wattages. There is no blockages. Abundance receive, abundance we give you all every day with a purpose. Avoid distraction, the world is a circus. Knowledge the key to the surplus. And money are the slave, so make it serve us. Not bend up and curve us, make we act nervous. You are the real currency. Infinite, intelligent, orb energy. Align with divine and feel the synergy. Love and unity for all of humanity. Corruption leads to straight insanity. Think logically, view of the future. What we really are teaching for them future. Me a go and think positive. Me a look, me a seek, me a search for the positive. How me fi pre negative? It's like link, me a drink, me a smoke with the enemies. Enough opportunities in line with divine currencies and wattages. There is no blockages. Abundance receive, abundance we give. Hey, Phyllis. Don't know positive conscious vibes. Not everybody gonna like it, but is it mean? Eternal music we are pray. No fast food, soul food. A real thing. Organic. Logic.